gifting options, if you're looking for that, then I have a place for you. For Rakhi, you can offer something like this, and that's the brand name. You can contact them directly if you want, so they can customize according to any occasion. So this is their Raksha Bandhan platter. Then something for self-care, for especially birthdays with your girlfriends or anything. Then with sweets, a nice candle, other self-care. So कुछ भी, again birthday party है अगर बच्चों की, तो you can opt for something like this. So Diwali, Rakhi, all your occasions are sorted, especially for gifting. This is all happening at Reflection Gallery for 2 days, today and tomorrow. Arohi Events, last July Souk 4.0. That's it from my side. Hi.
Hello.
Your brand name?
Rehman.
Okay.
Yes.
And if you want something like what she's wearing, that's for
Corsets.
4,000 quad set. We also have some nice colors.
Yes, these are dyeable ones.
Dyeables, okay.
Yes, in Kota fabrics
Kota
with the
fabrics.
inners.
Mm-hmm.
These are in the pairs. You can get the colors and the sizes you want with the pants and dupattas.
Cute.
Cord sets.
Nice.
Other color in that.
Pretty.
This is also a pair with the plazo.
Uh-huh.
Like all 3D chicken curries.
Lovely. Again, spaghetti.
Dresses, spaghetti dresses in ombre colors.
Mm-hmm.
With pearl and sequence work.
Alright. A little heavy festivities
Yes,
के लिए.
festive can be paired with the pants.
Nice.
Other color.
Check this out.
Then spaghetti pairs.
Mm-hmm.
And modal satin. Colors can be got.
Pretty.
Something for festivals.
Wow,
Dresses. Angrakha patterns. Pairs with the plazos.
Festive wear by Pooja Shah.
This is our new collection, Quab.
Pop collection.
We can customize also as per your body measurements.
Uh-huh.
So these are with the pants and we also have with sharara. These are on silk.
Okay.
Yes.
These are with dupattas
You can buy separately.
separately, but you have dupattas.
Yes. And these are with tissue.
Okay.
These are with sharara.
Nice. Perfect. Then we have another brand, and they curate hampers like this. You can actually taste it here. How is it?
Too good.
Okay, look at the hampers they have. So they can curate according to any occasion. So these are a few of the pieces they have, just for your knowledge. So something for kids, Diwali, your self-care hampers. This is brand called Kesa. They have beautiful potlis. I just want to highlight on that. Then they have dupattas and flat 10% off on everything on the entire collection. They have hand-painted dupattas. Look at this. They have Kantha dupattas. They have color option. Then we have ikat patolas. Then again some few potlis. And we have blouses. With saris.
Paired with Mangalgiris.
Mangalgiris, okay. And we have dress materials. Those are also very pretty. Lovely. These are all handloom. Then we have something like this with kalamkari blouses. Some more saris here. Some linens. This is brand called Tantu, and they are back with their festive wear. Look at that. Nice pieces. They have some 3-piece sets also with dupattas and pants. These are all 3-piece. And something plain, nice with a beautiful chunky jewelry. Again, kurtas. Look at that. And then they have an entire section which has some sale. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So if you buy any one, it is for 1,500, and if you buy any 3, it is for flat 4,000.
4,000. And it's a mix of everything. You'll get kurta sets also, quad sets. You'll get tunics. You'll have nice,
Short dresses,
cute.
one-piece.
Look at this. Some one pieces, nice dresses. So yes, Baki, you'll have to come down here and check it out. This is Weave Story, and they are back with their festive wear. Pura Navratri collection. Look at the tassels also. There's some nice cute tassels. These are the blouse. They have unstitched blouse pieces also. Color options available. Customization available. This is electric blue with dupatta. That's the chania. And they have all these colors available in that. Beautiful. Then they have cotton wear. Pura cord sets in linen. These are all cord sets in linen. Pants के साथ. Kishori Creations. What all do we have for this Navratri? Look at this. full
So we are
set.
having a colorful chanyas
Hmm.
as well as whites.
Wow.
So we are having the plain skirts as well.
Okay. Full 15 meters of hair.
Yeah. So we are having something in Gamki as well.
Nice.
So only plain chanyas.
Okay. Done. And except that, we also have something in festive wear, like nice quad sets. Check this out.
So we are having this kind of khadi stuffs as well.
Nice.
Something with like black more.
Yeah. Hi.
Hello.
Your brand name?
Supashva Studio.
Okay, so the starting
Then-
price is only 500 till 2000. They have some nice tops. Look at the
This
tops
type
here.
of pretty brown.
Hmm.
Then this type of.
Cute. Then they have some short
Then we have
dresses.
dresses.
These are the dresses. This is Ikrar and they are launching their Navratri collection. I'm going to be starting off with some dupattas here. So these are all the dupattas and all good pricing. I would like to tell you that. So this is like 2150 and with nice lace and all. We have some nice bright colors. Look at this. Very different. And we have Lehriya with vintage. Of course, we have only chanyas. These are all the chanyas option. Check this out. And we have blouses. We have some ready blouses here. Beautiful ones. And we have kachi ones. Check this one. Look at that. With Banarsi touch to it. Bandhani. And then they have their cotton collection as well.